how do I know when to use a single keyword campaign versus a multiple keyword campaign? What are the pros and cons of each? This is probably going to be extremely controversial, and probably some feelings will get hurt, but I'll let Stephen answer this one.
Yeah, I've heard some folks say, to basically do single keyword campaigns for every single keyword in your account, which again, I think that's going to be overly granular, and you're going to lose kind of the ability to optimize those placement settings that happen at campaigns. I really lean heavily on those, being able to optimize those placement settings for my campaigns, which is why I feel so strongly about the structure that I advocate for it. I really like single keyword campaigns for your VIP keywords, your highest volume keywords, the most competitive keywords, because those allow you to really dial in specifically those campaign placement settings for those. Because, for example, if maybe you want to fully dominate the top of search, you want to have your sponsored brand up there, you want to have 3 sponsored products up there, and you want to completely dominate that with your brand. But those top of search clicks can be really expensive, right? We've seen those run up to like $3, $4, $5 CPCs. I've seen them go as high as $20 CPCs for a particular niche.
It's crazy.
Yeah. If you were to get those types of CPCs on every single keyword in your account, you're going to be broke and out of business, but like by the end of the month, But perhaps that is affordable for only like 5% of your account, so you can fully dominate that for just a few select keywords that have been set up. So I've done this before where, we set apart some campaigns. Sometimes we'll call them like top of search only campaigns or something, where we give these particular keywords really low bids. So we're not spending money everywhere else on Amazon, but only that top of search, where we increase it by like 900% or something like that. This is a bit of a crazy method, by the way. So this is not for everybody, but it's something fun that we've done. And so what we've essentially done is we've isolated spend in that particular campaign to only spend at top of search, because the keyword has like, a 30-cent bid, but a 900% increase for top of search, which means we're paying $3, up to $3 for those top of search clicks. And because of that, we're able to, rather than just putting a $3 bid on those keywords and spending $3 everywhere, we're only spending $3 just at the top of search and just for that one keyword in that one campaign. And then maybe you have like 4 or 5 of campaigns in that structure. And so now you're fully dominating the top of search for these particular keywords, but you've done a really good job of isolating that spend. So even though those things are going to have a cost of like in the triple digits, your overall account health is still pretty good, because the rest of your stuff that's focusing on more longer tail and a little more optimized for margins is going to perform better. So that's one way to do single keywords. Or in general, if you just really want to make sure that you are spending on these keywords all over Amazon, still a good benefit of having those single keyword campaigns to just maximize spend everywhere, especially for ranking campaigns on those. But in general, like 98% of my campaigns are all multiple keyword campaigns.
Gotcha.